Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share and play. Hello everyone. I was inspired by a very talented friend of mine, Mandy, to just do a very quick tutorial on the macrame knot that's an alternate half hitch. So this is it. It is literally just looping one cord over another cord and you're just swapping the cords. So here you'll see I'm holding one cord tight and then I'm just looping the other cord, called the working cord, around that cord to just create a little slip knot. And then you do the same on the other side. So it creates a really lovely long chain. It's fabulous for doing necklace lengths or bracelet lengths. It's great in binding books too. I often incorporate it into my bindings and into all sorts of things. Whenever I need a rope, I actually like doing this little chain. It just creates a nice little effect. So here I've got it just slowed down, or I had it just back there, slowed down so that you could have a little look at it. But you can just see all it really is just looping the cord around. So it is half of the normal hitch stitch. If you did two, you'd create a full hitch. But see how it makes that really nice long chain? So that's the alternate half hitch. It's a macrame knot. And I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that shows those of you who have liked the look of it a little bit better just how we do it. I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!